Namaste and welcome to Yoga with Namita. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do Bakasana or crow pose. The prerequisite for crow pose, as it is arm balancing pose, is the arm strength as well as the core strength. So you should be practicing enough arm and core strengthening exercises before you attempt the crow pose. For the crow pose, we are going to start with sitting in Malasana, where you keep your feet diagonal, heels in, toes out, knees out. Once you are in Malasana position, stretch your hands ahead, palms, shoulders width apart. Place them on the ground. Keep the grip of your palms where your fingertips are feeling the pressure. You want to keep your elbows slightly bent. Press your thighs against your upper arm. Then first come completely on your toes. Then lift your hips up. At the same time move forward. Then lift one foot and then other foot. Once again, sit in Malasana, place your palms down, keep the grip of your palms so that the fingertips are feeling the pressure. Your thighs pressing against your forearms, you should feel the resistance here. Go down. First, lift your toes up, and as you lift your hips, you are going to go ahead. Then start lifting your feet up. Keep your breathing normal and stay here. Few things to keep in mind when you're practicing crow pose is you have to keep your breathing normal. Do not forget to breathe when you're about to go into crow pose. Second thing is you have to keep pressing your palms against the ground, and with that resistance keep your body up. Third thing is you have to keep the resistance of your thighs against your upper arms so that your knees are not sliding down. This is how you will be able to unlock crow pose. Thank you.